gentlemen, it's about time. Remember, I'm just listening to the cool vibes that Sir Elvis right here at Ngong Rescos. And of course, for the betterment of this engagement, there's so much that is the output in this engagement. Now, every Cowboys and Cowgirls are right here embracing the fact that we need the country music. And this is the Kenyan edition. Sir Elvis has just marveled right here. And Atubamba Sana. And of course, if you have time, come over any cowboy, cowgirl, just stop at Ngong Rescos and you'll be able to find the marvelous taste in this occasion. And by the way, so this is the Kenyan edition of the country music right here. And of course, it has been done. But so many other artists, including the country musicians, are here. Fans for country music pia ko hapa in the best order. And I don't know where my cape has gone, your cape, your country music, but I'll get it soon. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the 26th of July 2025, and the event is featuring live music from Sir Elvis, which is ongoing right now, Gianna and the Urban Cowboys and the other artists, along with the DJ sets and dancing led by Sharif Knight. And by the way, earlier on, we had Samson Maombi, who just did his presentation in the best way possible. Cowboys, Cowgirls, the best celebration is yet to come. This is the Kenyan edition. How are you, Farike?
I'm very well, brother. Yeah, I'm very well. I'm enjoying this day to the fullest. Yeah.
You've performed already.
Of course,
How does that make you feel?
I feel so good. This day we anticipated to be a success, and that's exactly what I'm saying. And I'm excited because I introduced my, the song I wrote, the original song for this day, and the reception was good. Yeah.
Of course, you performing in your hometown. So many people have come from different places just to embrace the international Cowboys and Cowgirls. And of course, you are part and parcel of this engagement. Do you think you'll be having so many engagements as far as country music is concerned right here in the Republic?
Exactly, because this just like a wake-up call to even those who love country music and they don't know where to go, where to find, us, and is going to actually fast forward the interest of people in reaching out to us and offering services of country music.
Having performed today, do you think you've attained your target this evening?
Well, yeah, I have, because the moment I stepped on the stage, I pulled the crowd to the stage. That's when people came and started dancing. Yes, and they really loved the song I did for this day, called it Sing It Country. Yeah.
Singing country.
Sing It Country.
Sing It Country.
Yeah, that's the title of the song. Yeah.
Will you embrace it right here?
Oh, yeah. Sing it loud, sing it proud. Let your heart be country now. From the mountains to the bay, it's Country Music Day. Hooray! Yeah.
So young people are here as well. You know what I say. So young people are here and they're expecting, of course, to get to those levels. What can you tell them as country music upcomings?
Well, first of all, I like the fact that the young people, the Gen Zs, are getting to embrace country music, because it's commonly known to be associated with old people. But now we are inculcating, the sweetness of this genre of music to even the young people. And the message I have for them, hii ni muziki ya pesa. You need to associate yourself with it. If you have an interest and you're talented, you want to, start, the journey in country music, you are so much welcome. It's a great, adventure to pursue. Yeah.
Fari, who are you looking to partner with after this engagement?
Well, I've never liked, partnering with people in musically, but, anyone who'd want to sing with me and sings well. I mean well.
Take it.
Yeah, this is where mbichi na mbivu. Kwa sababu this is where we get to see who is a real artist. So someone who is able to do live music and it sounds so good. That's the person I can partner with.
That is wonderful. I wish you all the best, sir.
Thank you.
What is the best language you can use this evening for country music right here as we mark the Kenyan edition?
Well, love for everyone, peace for everyone. That's what I pass on to everyone who's watching. And then I wish you a good Cowboys and Cowgirls International Day.
Amazing. Thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome.
It's a pleasure. Thank you so much, sir.
All right.
All right. There is Farike, ladies and gentlemen. Cowboys, Cowgirls, International.
My name is Belinda the Cowgirl. I'm from Mombasa.
Umetoka Mombasani sasa.
All day from Mombasa to Nairobi for country music.
You're about to perform?
Yes, I'm an artist too. I'll be around 7ish or 7:30. I'll be performing.
Few minutes underway.
Yes.
How does that make you feel? The reception, the engagement?
Oh, this is my dream. This is my long time dream. I've been dreaming one day I perform Coat of Many Colors on such a platform. Yes.
The Kenyan edition, to be specific.
Yes, the Kenyan edition.
Amazing. Being part of the international Kenyan edition, how does that make you feel as a brand, as a musician, and of course as a love of country music?
This is an opportunity given that you will never find again. This is the only time to do it, to do my best, to be seen and to be heard. Yes.
And since you're having this engagement, all right, so you're expecting to do a marvelous show right here, you know? All right, cheza kama wewe tusikie sauti yako hata kidogo tu.
Oh my God. I do country music for Dolly Parton specifically because I love her. Her songs mostly are very amazing, educative, inspiring, and also motivating. There's this song of Coat of Many Colors. The coat is here. Okay, back through the years I go wandering once again. Back to the seasons of my youth. I recall a box of rags that someone gave us, and how my mama put the rags to use. They were rags of many colors.
Good job. That is a wonderful one. It's such a blessing. Nice to see you. How are you doing?
I'm very great.
It's nice to see you.
Yeah, this is a great day for all country music enthusiasts in Kenya. International Cowboys Day. This is the first time we've done it officially. We are so excited. As you can see, we have, by yesterday we had done 3,000 tickets. This is a great...
3,000 tickets?
Yes.
How does that make you feel? 3,000 tickets is not a joke.
It's not a joke because if you look, Cowboys Day was being celebrated in the United States. That was the 1930s, 1950s, but it was officiated in 2005. Having that we've done this in Africa, that's my pride and joy.
You're seeing young people here and you're the grandpa. How does that make you feel as the grandpa, seeing young people coming up and embracing country music?
Having been born in a country music home and I also host country music show, this is what we've always wanted, where we have the old and the new guys in the industry taking over. And this can clearly show you from the baby to the oldest. Man, I was speaking to an 80-year-old man. It was like we brought memories of yesteryears. That to me is a fulfillment of this day.
All right, for the fulfillment, now you as the grandpa, I want you to give us some lines, country music lines a little bit.
Sorry?
Just sing some lines about country music. Give us some lines.
I'm not a musician.
But you can try.
But there's a song I love.
All right.
It's by Alan Jackson,
Amazing.
Bukes to the Moon.
Roll it in.
It goes like, how long will I love you? I don't really know. But the storyline of this song, it shows an intensity of love. I wish people would love and love genuinely.
All right. So we're expecting more country music.
We are going to step on that floor. We are going to step
Ado Masa.
Bado. That's why we've changed. I put my camera aside. We are going to that floor.
Sir, the grandpa. Nice to meet you, sir. One more time.
Hello, my name is Anene, and I'm a huge fan of country music. Yes.
Which song do you love?
I love the country song that's playing at that given time. Yes, I don't have a specific one, but any country song, I'll go for it. Yes.
Is there one that you've mastered the lines?
Yes. Yeah, I'll say Carpenter's Top of the World. Yes.
Unaweza imba?
Kidogo tu.
Cheza kama wewe.
I'm on the top of the world looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find It's the love that I found ever since you've been around. Your love's put me at the top of the world.
So what are you expecting at the end of the event?
I expect to have fun. I expect to connect with people who love country music. And I expect to remember this day for as long as I live.
Amazing. All the best. All the best, Cowgirl. Good evening. Ah,
I'm K Mystic, the cowboy. Just I'm coming from stage right now. Yeah.
how does the stage feel?
Very good, very good. It's very good to share the stage with other artists of country music. It's very amazing. Yeah.
What about your audience? How was the reception?
Was very good. And as you were here, they were all clapping after my performance. It means like they received well so that performance. Yeah.
All right, for this creation, can we listen to your voice a little bit?
Yeah, of course. All the women are beautiful lovers. Say all the women, they understand here. I've been around some, and I have discovered that all the women know just how to please a man. Yes, I was going from the song which happened there, the same chord, had the same chords. Like,
So what is this one thing that stood out during the entire time you've been here?
so it's very good to just to chill with other country artists, man, and you know each other, and you create some connection from each other, something like that. Yeah.
And seeing young people that have come here to this event, how does that make the country music a beautification right here in this event?
Many person they can think that country music is all about the old man, but country music is for all generation, or in this country especially. Yeah.
Are we foreseeing other events as the editions go on?
Yeah, of course, it's not the last. It's the first, but not the last. There will be other thing that will be amazing than this. Yeah.
And from you specifically, what should we expect?
So, just it's all about God, Yeah, it's all about God. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Cowboy. All the best this evening. All right.